There's now the ability to search for branded content in Meta's ad library. And branded content is any post that is tagged with the paid partnership label. This is typically content that creators are producing on behalf of a brand for an influencer marketing campaign, a brand collaboration, or anything else along those lines. You can search for branded content by platform, Facebook or Instagram. You can search by a specific date or a date range. And you can also search by the business slash brand or creator. To show a example of how to use a search, let's use Instagram. Let's update this to this month. And one thing to note about this is that this is actually a result of the Digital Services Act. And so you can only search for branded content as far back as August 17th. I found a creator that has posted some sponsored content. So I'm going to add her handle in here. As you can see, we can see that creator here. We can see the date she posted, piece of content, again, her handle, her brand partner in this case was Nike. The content format, it was a reel and then a link to the actual piece of content. As I mentioned, you can also search by brand. So in this case, let's search by LL Bean. Here's some creators that is partnered with this month, or at least from August 17th to now. We can also try out another brand in Adidas football. They have been quite active, as you can see. Over just the last couple of days, they've partnered with a dozen or so creators and athletes to produce content. And while the use case is really around transparency and Meta meeting the requirements of the DSA, this is a valuable tool for both marketers and creators. For marketers, it's a great way to see what your competitors and others in the space are doing for influencer marketing. You can see how active they are in terms of working with creators. You can see what creators they're working with, what type of content formats they're really invested in, whether it's in-feed post or reels, and also see that actual sponsored content. From a creator or even a talent manager standpoint, it's a great way to see brands that you might want to partner with, what they're doing with creators, are they actually invested in paid partnerships with creators? What type of creators they're working with? When are they activating creators so that that information can help you with your pitch when it's actually going out and pitching to those brands to have an idea of who they're partnering with, what type of content, and then also the key moments in time.